Guys, we just checked into the Mud Resort, and they made us some welcome drinks and a flower in our hair. So it's so sweet. We're just waiting to check in because we came early. Checked out from the other one at 12 and now
So we just made it to the Mud Resort, and so far it is looking good for about $60 with breakfast.
And they gave us early check-in.
And they gave us early check-in. It's amazing. We got the pool view. I don't even know if we actually ordered that or not. But we got the pool view.
I think they're all pool view.
No.
Because there's no rooms on the other side of
Okay, maybe.
They might be down there further view.
So everything looks really clean and like modern. Even the washroom. Have you checked the washroom yet? It's pretty good. So looks decent.
The safe is in the washroom, which is a little.
Yeah, the safe is in the washroom. There's no handheld when you're showering.
Those stupid bugs are here too.
And those stupid bugs are everywhere in the washroom. See them now. I don't know what they are. They're not alive or anything. Cocoon.
Butterfly cocoons. Oh, spider webs.
Spider webs, I see. Okay, so the washroom is not the best.
In case they have that pumping soap.
We have the pumping soap, not those bar soaps, which turn nasty. There's no handheld in the washroom. Which is unfortunate. They did give us welcome drinks, which is good.
It's not even 1 o'clock.
Yeah, it's 12:58, so they gave us like an hour and like 15 minutes early check-in. So the room actually looks clean, which is very good, but it's in the middle of nowhere. They do offer scooter rentals
at the resort.
At the resort, which is really good. This is our little balcony and pool view and free breakfast, and there's also lunch and dinner you can order. There's also this guy who's going to visit.
What was that? You trying to finish my drink? No, you're okay.
Yeah, the welcome drink is like a Balinese drink and
traditional herbal drink.
Some traditional herbal drink or something, but yeah.
They gave you flip-flops since you really like flip-flops.
Oh, perfect. Get my flip-flops. But yeah, that's it for now. So this is our breakfast. So first you can get any fruit juice or fruit platter.
Can you get one of each, or is it like,
one of each.
Where does it say that?
Well, it's gonna be one of each.
Okay.
So you could choose either a fruit platter, fruit juice, or fruit salad yogurt, which is pretty good. Choose any of the fruits: papaya, watermelon, pineapple, honeydew, melon, I don't know what that is, mixed fruit. Then you get an assorted bread basket, mix of brown or white bread, toasted butter croissant, one of each. So bread, butter croissant, raisin Danish, either served with unsalted butter or jam. Then the main dish is pancakes. That's it.
Oh, that is breakfast.
And then hot beverages, either tea or Balinese coffee or hot chocolate. If I can get American breakfast.
Hot chocolate.
Oh, perfect. Alright, now we're talking. So this is the American breakfast that you can choose.
Pancake is American too.
Oh yeah, but I wanted omelet, so my omelet's there.
Same juices?
Ooh, and it's served with bacon, sausage, potato, and mixed salad. So that's what I'm gonna do.
It's pretty sick. You can try each one the 4 days we're here, or 3 days?
3 days. I don't want pancakes though. And now, Indonesian breakfast. Perfect. So I can get fried rice in the morning, nasi goreng.
You got that once at Bumi Mobile.
Yeah, so that is fried rice, vegetables, and fried egg on top. Or you can get the mee goreng, which is the fried egg noodles. The same thing, vegetable and egg on top. Oh, and you get a dessert here, banana fritter. which is deep fried banana fritter with palm sugar sauce. So you don't get dessert with the Indonesian, the American or the continental breakfast. What were you gonna say?
Nothing. I was gonna see if this is even breakfast, but it says.
Yes, it is breakfast. Oh, we get another breakfast. It's called the healthy breakfast. So you can get green smoothie or healthy fruit salad. And the main dish is avocado, tomato, basil. Fresh avocado and tomato served with white bread and pesto sauce. Or scrambled eggs served with baked bean and basil oil. And then you also get dessert banana martabak, which is grilled raw banana served with palm sugar sauce. Do we have another breakfast in the next page? Stay tuned. Oh, okay. Now. But yeah, happy seat.
What do you want to do now?
We'll go to the waterfalls nearby. You gonna rent a scooter?
Yeah. It's like only $100 for the scooty.
Which is about $10 a day.
By the time we walk around and find one and bargain.
Yeah.
Good.
Okay, let's go. So we're going to Sumampan Waterfall, which is a 9-minute walk from our resort. So this is where our resort is, close to. And these are all the resort's 2 dogs that are sleeping. And we will keep them in peace and let them sleep. I'm a little bit scared. So the roads aren't that busy. So we're thinking about renting a scooter, which the hotel provides. We'll do that tomorrow. And today we'll just walk to the 2 waterfalls, or maybe 1. We'll see how it goes. There we go. Here's the stray dogs barking, which usually scares me.
Wake up when we were walking.
Yeah.
One would have run.
They don't really like people, I guess, walking. They don't mind the scooters maybe. Oh look, there's a little shop here.
Turn left.
Turn left, right here. There's a little shop, or I don't know, I'm not sure. It's not like food or anything. Maybe construction supplies. And we're supposed to turn left here to the waterfall. So we'll keep walking to the waterfall and let you guys know how it goes. So it looks like the building different resorts here. There's a guest house here in Hari, in the heart of Bali. So usually when the GPS says 9-minute walk, it usually isn't.
Well, now it's 7 minutes.
Oh, maybe it is 9 minutes. Usually in the past it wasn't that accurate for us, but maybe that's because we were in the city. And there's a guy behind us walking, which is rare. Usually they're all on scoopies and scooters and such. But maybe he's going to the waterfall too. Alright, we'll keep you updated when we're at the waterfall.
Alright guys, we're getting closer to the waterfall. It's a
20,000.
dirt pathway.
20,000 to get in.
20,000 rupiah per person. Approximately $2 Canadian per person. Which, compared to the things and activities in Canada, is dirt cheap.
But in Canada, we don't really pay to see waterfalls. Do we? Like that.
You pay to go park, so
Okay, yeah.
you pay $20 to park, and
I guess this is the first
$2.
viewpoint. We're approaching the first viewpoint on the right. Or, yeah, well, never mind. Not those two types. Oh, look, is that durian?
Possibly that's durian or jackfruit. I don't know.
You can get a big one for free.
Ew, it's like rotten.
Here is the water. Oh.
You can hear the water from here.
Watch the step.
These are offerings that you should not step on. Oh, they have like stairs here.
A bit smoky, a little bit scary. Hopefully I don't fall here, because fall here a little bit dangerous, I would say. Oh look, there's little designs on the walls, carving, a little dragon. Some tourists here as well, so not the first one. Continue to walk down. I know. We are now going down. On the real one. You are not responsible for the loss of your item. The layer section. People are going through the waterfall. Let's go down a little bit more. Yeah. So that's the waterfall. I guess people usually use a rope to go up, so the waves get carried out with the waves. But yeah, that's about it. The Mayan waterfall.
Nice one.
I don't think people should come here if it's out of their way, to be honest. The waterfall's too far away.
Apparently locals do these carvings into the stone. Pretty cool how they did that. This one kind of looks like a joker with the spikes. Nice elephant over here. Just finished the Sumampan Waterfall and we're leaving. If you don't
Go to
have
the
a
waterfall today?
what time is it?
2.
Need a break.
Okay, so we'll go back to the hotel?
Yeah, I'm tired.
Okay.
So
I mean, we're here
hot.
for 3 days. We can go pretty much any time.
Did you put the map back to the
Yeah. I put it back to the other waterfall, but we'll go home.
Alright guys, Milan just seen 2 doggies and he's shitting himself.
Only some of them that have like issues. I think this is the same one that barked at people though.
Yeah, it is.
Now what?
Get a taxi?
People grab, they're awake. When we first walked, they weren't awake.
Alright, let's walk on the other side.
No, that's not really gonna do anything.
This car's coming. Guys, we just crossed the road.
Let's go, let's go down. There's another one. You wanna walk?
I'm scared. He's coming. They trapped us in the middle, guys.
Oh, he's waiting for his friend. You walk. Not you.
This guy seems like he's a little nice one. Scared of us.
I think he's blind.
Alright, let's just make some way for him so he can freely walk.
Let's go. Look, he's walking. Oh. Oh man, there's another one down there.
Milan's gonna wear his big boy pants and lead
I don't
the
have
way.
any. What? Lead the way.
You don't have any big boy pants?
No. I'm running to that guy.
Alright, just be calm.
Don't make any eye contact.
Don't make any eye
Treat them
contact.
like monkeys.
Treat them like the monkeys at the monkey forest. Oh, it's perfect.